Usembut Menteri Rangba Kejelau ba Preston Tensong uloong ba watla ka parti BJP kala job bon seat haka jela Manipur haka neka election Henry ka neka jingjob jong ka parti BJP kan amla banwan ra jingma Dy.Cm ya ka National People Party haka jela Meghalaya namar ba haka jela ki don tang arngut ki MLA ka BJP balada ki ong ba haka election ka bansawan kin job 6% kan neka long tang saungut hi ki MLA Habai keran halor ka Manipur sembut Menteri Rangba uloong banakaliang jong ka parti kelak mi lenti bahkan la banyo palat ya ka shipho seat ha Manipur Henry ke ka rai ka bagi nongsong snong jong ka Manipur kilashim nakaliang jong ka parti NPP kan buram ya kata Uba Preston Tensong ulapan pauru baka Jingktah rem jong ka parti NPP hakikat tu kat ne teliki constituency kadai nakadaw badon naki kertong ki baklain ru kim yo ban thap kerteng ban yakhun election bat ka wei kadaw kadai naka jingdon ki seng kai khlau ha Manipur.
We do expect that we'll be able to cross at least to Manipur. However, the mandate of the people of Manipur has to be ultimately respected and accepted. However, saying this, I would like to just inform you that the vote percentage of the party has increased tremendously, and quite a number of constituencies, though we lost, but we lost with a very small margin. Not less than 18 constituencies where we lost below 5,000 votes, which means this proved that our party is growing up very well in the state of Manipur.
So, the Manipur CM has maintained that the NPP government. So, how do you see this?
Well, that I have nothing to say. I can't also say anything on this because CM is still there in Impal. So let him come back and then you may ask from him the latest position.
But BJP is part of a coalition here. Will it affect your alliance with them?
As I said to you, I should not say anything right now unless the confirmation is really on the ground, which says that okay, we don't accept or we accept. But right now, as I said to you, since our CM is still in the Impal, I will not be able to say anything.
Can you tell us about the Manipur election?
Ah.
You got 7 there. Will it have an impact here? Because everyone thought that you will have, as you said, be having double numbers. So,
See, good impact will be there. Why not? From 4, we increased to 7. So that itself, the increase is almost 100%. Therefore, I personally feel if you come back to the state of Meghalaya, people now will see that in Manipur, NPP got 7 seats. We have MLAs in Arunachal also. We have MLAs in Nagaland also, NPP MLAs. And then if you compare with other political parties here in our state, be it AITC, be it ITC, and then be it other parties, I think they don't have any base. But NPP have got a base in these states also, which I personally feel people of Meghalaya understand this. And I'm sure in 2023 election, it will be a boost for us.
and don't you think BJP is an ally? Like BJP won't it be a threat
Where?
here in 2023?
No, BJP will not be at all a threat to us as far as Meghalaya state is concerned.
Why do you say so?
I say so because you have seen it, they have only 2 MLAs. Okay, if they increase maybe 100%, 100% with vote? Or are you trying to say that they'll get 31, 32 seats or what? So my calculation is, at best, if they increase 100%, means only 4 seats they'll get. So where is the threat? We don't have any threat.